Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin comments on YouTube. What you need to do, first just go to YouTube and log in your account and then choose the video that you want to pin the comments. For example, if I want to pin a comment in this video, I click here, details, and then you see here the link of the video. Just click here and here is the video. Just scroll down and you see here comment. I already copied the comment from the description and then just paste it here and then click comment. After that, click in the three dots and then click pin and then again pin. This is what you need to do if you want to pin comments on YouTube. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.